Welcome to Field Ready. Today we're going to take a look at our latest RTK-ready GNSS receiver, the Spire. We're going to do a little unboxing, show you some features of the product. It's going to be real fun.
All right, let's unbox and take a look at the Spire. So it comes in this small box here. It says right there, Spire. And when you receive these, typically, there's the serial number, model information for shipping. And here we go. Right there, location simplified. Okay, and so inside we have a quick start guide. Download Juniper Connect. All right, walks you through how to get set up, where the different LEDs and the cable goes. Here's instructions. Make sure first time you use it, you want to charge it 4 to 6 hours. Turn the power on. Of course, here's where you can download the manual. And there's a quick reference for the LEDs, the different color lights, and for the audible buzzer. On the back here, let's see, Juniper Connect Receiver Configuration app. Yes, you can download the new Juniper Connect app. Now, in the past, we've had different applications for our Geode receiver, our Archer receiver, GNSS pod. Now we've combined all those into one application for all of our products. And it's available for Apple, for Android products, and for Windows devices. So set that right there. And there's a free trial card for Uinta. Now Uinta is a complete mapping solution that you can use with any of our products. And here's a free trial. You can use a QR code and download it for any platform, for iOS or Windows or Android, whichever device you want to use. Definitely worth trying out. Put that over here. And this is the radio equipment directive. These are safety instructions. So this has all the certifications for US, Canada, Europe, UK, Japan, many countries. And there's the Spire. But before we open that, we're going to take a look in here, see what accessories we have. Okay, this is our power supply. Nice and compact. This is a universal power supply. You can use it anywhere in the world. Just fold out the prongs like that. And this will work with USB-C or USB-A cables. And we'll put that right here. And we also have adapters. So here's an adapter for Europe. And here's one for United Kingdom. So you can use this in all of Europe, the UK, of course in the United States, in Japan, Canada. And there's also configuration with a different power supply for Australia and New Zealand. Here we have the USB-C cable. It's a 3-foot cable, pretty nice. Put that right over here. Oh, and here's an adapter. This is neat. This is a pole adapter. So the Spire has standard 5/8 by 11 thread on the bottom, like you use with most GIS survey poles. And this adapter will allow you to attach it to a 1/4 by 20 thread, like a monopod or a camera tripod or other devices that make it easy to carry in different situations. We'll put this right over here. Now let's take a look at the Spire. Just lift it out of the box here. Get that out of the way. Take it out. There it is. Wow, that's light. Very simple design. Pretty nice. So here's your 5/8 by 11 thread. We can mount it on a pole. And on the back right here, there's the serial number, all the certifications, power information, Spire. Then on the front, here's your power button and your USB port. Now, Spire is a multi-frequency multi-constellation GNSS receiver. So this will work on all the frequencies, all the bands for GNSS, and it works with GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, Beidou. Also works with QZSS and NAVIC. So pretty much everything that's out there. Here's the USB port, and we got a cover on there. You can see there's a USB-C connector. This is something good to know. This port is to protect and keep dirt from getting inside the connector, but even if this port cover is off, the port is still sealed, so the device is waterproof and dustproof. And if this were to get damaged, if say this were to get snagged or torn off, you can just replace this. You just undo that screw, get a new one, screw it in, and have a new cover. Okay, we'll hit the power button because it does come partially charged, so you can use it right out of the box. And you can see the green LED lit up, indicating it's powered up. And if we were to connect this to a smartphone or a tablet, we get the Bluetooth light to come on, and then once it starts receiving GNSS signal, you'll see this yellow LED start flashing, and then when a correction is applied, it'll turn to a solid light. And this does have a beeper, so if I press and hold the power button to shut it off, it beeps, tells us to let go, and now it's powered off. So that's the Spire. It's all-in-one, RTK ready, and SBAS capable GNSS receiver, and it's available now.
Okay, here we are outside with the Spire. We've attached it to a pole and powered it up, and we have it connected to our Archer 4 rugged tablet. On the tablet, we're running our new Juniper Connect software, which is connected over Bluetooth to the Spire. And then with Juniper Connect, we're using our Juniper RTK correction service. And if you zoom in close on the screen, you can see we're getting 1 centimeter accuracy. So there you have it, a complete, accurate RTK mapping solution available from Juniper Systems. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at junipersys.com.